Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much to my new subscribers. You're very much welcome in my channel. I thank you so much for the support that I've been getting, and today I'm back with another video, and today's video is about our entrance. I just want to share how I organize our entrance, because yeah, everybody have their own way of organizing it, but I just thought that I share this with you. And just to add, our entrance is a mixture of actually entrance and some kind of storage. You're just going to see that in a minute. We have cabinets that go up until to the ceiling, because that is where we store a lot of our stuff. And a lot of our stuff, I mean, that is where we store shoes, that is where we store our towels, that is where we store our beddings. And when we bought this house, for me it was very important that everyone has got their own cabinet where they have their jackets, their shoes, their beddings, towels, and so on. So we have 4 of them in the entrance, and we are a family of 4, so everyone has got one. So I'm just going to take you through our entrance area. This is our entry. This is this is the main door. That is how you actually come in, but it's very dark right now, so I cannot really show you. That is how you come in the house. And right here I just have this beautiful mirror, very beautiful. This is vintage. I love vintage articles. Actually, I'm happy that with time now, I know how to mix them, because you are going to discover that I love white. Almost everything is white. So at least I can mix with gold, and I really love these. So as I said, it's a vintage item, so I just collect them in the second-hand shops. I don't collect them, I buy them. So I always go, when I find something, I just take it with me, and I really do love this piece. And then I just have some little decor over there, and right here I have a shoe cabinet. The cabinet is actually old. I have it for, I'm sure, like 7 years now, and it still looks amazing. I try to take good care of my stuff, that they actually don't spoil. So as I said, it's a shoe, maybe you even call it shoe The shoes are not actually that beautiful. These are sport shoes from my older daughter. She kind of dominates this place. Again, shoes from her, and again shoes from her. Sport shoes. This one is quite actually empty. And then shoes, and again shoes. On this side are now the built-in cabinets that I was telling you before. As you can see, they go till to the top, to the roof. And then you see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I'm just going to explain what I was talking about previously. I'm just going to explain that what I was talking about having 4. I don't count this middle one. It is just a storage. And then I'm recording with my phone. So, and then here it's just a small area where I have my decor that I actually love very much. I got this as a wedding gift with me and my husband, and then my love for the orchids. I love orchids, so this one is blossoming amazingly. Look at this, guys. You would think this flower is fake. It is not fake, it's real. And I just love the way that they are coming. They really blossom so well. Yeah, my husband take good care of them. Yeah, I'm glad about that. So we are going to start with the first cabinet, and that is my husband's where he put his jackets, because Switzerland, yeah, the weather changes. We have winter, we have spring, we have autumn, and so on. So right now what we have is winter and some kind of spring. And then down here he got some of his shoes. Just actually we constructed this entrance that you can just get ready, wear your shoes, wear your jacket, and run, so you don't have to sack things. So that those are some of the shoes from my husband. And then I'll come to the jackets, and I tend to just leave some hangers here when we got visitors. And when we have visitors, we hang the jackets of the visitors, and then we do this. No, let me show you. I have a better way to show them, because so that the visitors don't have to search for their jackets. What we do, we have our visitors' jackets like this. So I always have some hangers ready for that. Yeah, that is my husband's wardrobe. We actually removed many jackets, like the main winter jackets. We've removed them. We have them in the cellar. I have a wardrobe there that I just put winter stuff. That's it. And then up here he got nothing important. It's just a mess, guys. These are his personal stuff that he just needs to get them when he wants to. Then the next one here is Priscilla. That's mine. That's my jackets cabinet, and I have some shoes down here just like anyone else. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. And then as you can see, again I have some extra hangers here, guys. I have beddings, so actually I have labeled these cabinets so that we're a family of 4, so that we don't mess, so that everybody knows what belongs where. So that those are my beddings, Priscilla and Oliver actually. And then up there, still my beddings. And then up there, let me see if I can reach. I'm short, guys, and this is too high. Up there we got swimming towels. I will just show you how I fold them in a small sequence. So yeah, and that's the first cabinet. From up there going downwards, and I just love the design. We did this design just to make sure that it doesn't look funny when you make just one cabinet and then just a box over here. That's the reason why we have this, and it's actually perfectly divided. And then I already talked about this place. And then up here we got towels. As I said, we use it as a storage for a lot of stuff. So here are the towels, also labeled towel spit, and then up there, we got the visitors towels. That's it. And then here again, towels. I try to arrange I actually arrange the towels like this, that you can just pick this and you got everything. You got the floor mats, you got the floor mats, you got the towels, you got the hand towels, and so on. That is actually how everyone, each of them is organized. Again, towels, yeah. And then over here, you must be wondering what this is. I try to keep the entrance as neat as possible, so I actually don't like to have keys being everywhere. So I had to get a solution, and I couldn't, I didn't even want to have them hanging somewhere. So this is actually a very special piece from my husband. He has been having this for ages. I think it's more than 15 years. This is where we keep our keys. Yep. So guys, I really love when everything is neatly organized, when things are just perfectly organized. So that is just what I'm doing here. I'm trying to fold the towels the way I like them. You can see that I'm opening them and folding them again, because my family, as in my firstborn and my husband, do help in household sometime, and yeah, they try to do as I like, but yeah, women are complicated, so it's never as perfect as I actually want it to be. So when I decide to organize, I just decide to do it as perfect as I want it. Some of the towels are quite big, so I cannot fold them equally, all of them, but I just try to get just to get them equal. And as you can see, I'm just trying to make sure that the designer name is on the top. It's just a weakness. Every human being has got their own weaknesses, and that is one of my weaknesses. So I just like to have it on top, that you can just see it, but it's not that I always buy designer towels. I mix all the towels, yeah. And then guys, down here we have 2 cabinets where we keep our shoes. These are some of my shoes up there. My shoes, and a small area for my hubby. That's it. We don't have so much shoes upstairs in the house, because we have a sailor, and then we actually, as I said, we change shoes. When it's winter, we bring the winter shoes. When it is spring, summer, we bring those shoes up, because I just don't like things being so congested. So guys, this video is gonna be interesting because my daughter's cooking. So we are now in cabinet number 5, and that is my young daughter Gloria. Actually practically organized. She can just pick her jacket. These are let me show you. These one are just a small jacket, just to make sure that you see that she's a school kid. That's how they must wear that in Switzerland. And then pick her school bag, pick her scarf if she needs to, and just pick her cup and go. It's not as clean as it should be, or it's actually nothing special, but it's super practical for her. And then she just have her timetable over here and stuff like that, when she can, what she needs to have and so on. Exactly. That was before quarantine, I think. That's it. Up here we continue. These are her beddings Glow. Her name is Gloria. And then up here are their towels. Nothing special. We have a free cabinet over there. Yeah. And we come to cabinet number 6. And that is my firstborn's cabinet. Her jackets, and then her shoes, and again shoes. Yeah, she is 17, turning 18 soon. Then up here we got beddings again. These are mattress covers. I'm just going to show you in a video how I personally fold them. Yeah, this is just pretty much it. And then here, that is LC beddings. And then up there we got tablecloths. Yeah, I'm still that old-fashioned girl that I sometimes love tablecloths. Guys, we all know that folding mattress covers is always a hassle, but this is just how I do it, just to get at least a perfect shape of them, so that they don't look so messy while I arrange them in the cabinets. Right here I have some small decor, DIY decor. These ones have been with me for quite a long time. I got this from Ikea, and then the rest of the things just from a decor shop. It's quite easy. You just have to actually use a glue to fix them, and they stay. And it's actually, I love them. They are so pretty. Yeah, they've been with me for quite a long time now, and I just style them differently. This is how this one looks like, and this is how this one here looks like, and this one up here is quite simple as well, and I love them. Yeah, sometimes when you're in good moods, you can do beautiful things. Yeah, that's it, guys. This is our entrance. Behind me I have another mirror. That is our entrance. You can see me behind the scene. And sometimes you can see the lighting that I'm using. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. That is pretty much it. We don't have so big entrances in Switzerland, or I particularly don't have that. It's not that big, but it's pretty much enough. It's much bigger than what I had before. It's much organized than what we had before, and it is just super practical for us as a family of 4. So I thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. That is, if you like what I do. And if you like this video, guys, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It is super easy to just hit that like button, hit the notification button, so that you get notified when I upload a new video. And please subscribe if you like my channel. Thank you so much, guys, and stay blessed, stay safe, stay home. Bye.